doing a quick one for getting my train back to Nottingham. The train's not till 5:12, so go another hour, but I'm leaving a bit early just so I can get to my platform without rushing. So that's the Grand Central shopping centre, that's a train station. I've just been at the Brewdog and I've been at this very nice cafe bar as well. So very impressed with Birmingham compared to Nottingham. It makes Nottingham look caca-parent, not customer city, but makes Nottingham look very ordinary personally. But if you do come to Birmingham, it's quite bad for begging. I've been asked about 5 or 6 times I can give them money, so any auditor, be aware you'll be asked for money. So I'm gonna get my train in a minute. Yeah, they got a Weatherspoon which I didn't know about, so that's Birmingham New Street. So I'm gonna get my train in a minute. I need a loo as well. So that's a Weatherspoon. So when next come to Birmingham I might try now. And that's Birmingham New Street. I'm not sure where this town hall is. Alright, just a quick one. Cheers, Pete.